C. Then it goes down. C, E. And then, remember we had the do, mi, so, right? Do, mi, so. This is like a detoxification of the way people used to see this as do, re, mi, right? It is not do, re, mi. It is do, mi, so. It turns to do, re, mi maybe when they are singing a song. You could start adding do, re, mi because some will have notes on the piano. But this will be like the talking drum sound. 3 notes, which makes it so easy. You only need to know 3 notes to be able to put accent on Yoruba words, right? You only need 3 notes. Do goes down, like the B. Mi, neutral, like water, calm water. And so, that goes up. Okay. Went through Kojomi, do, mi, so, àwòrán, picture, E, just like we just discussed now. Ó ga jù, mi, so, do, is too tall. When you understand the accent, this is under Kojomi, you see how it sounds. But when they go, Yoruba is going to speak that. When they're going to say that out, they say Kojomi. It sounds so easy and fast. Kojomi. Then you start to break it down in your mind. So you break it down this way so that you can write it down. Because when you have the ability to write it down, then you can speak it. Because you have to sound it internally before you write it, put it down. So here we go. Go. That goes down. You see that? The left accent goes down. The right accent goes up. Go, jo, mi. Go, jo, mi. Goes up, right? So now the most difficult part is the jaw because it's got no accent on it, right? So you must recognize it. Don't get carried away and put me on top of it or do on top of it because don't put so on top of it or do on top of it because it could get confusing that way. So make sure before you make the sound, say it in your mind first. If it sounds right after putting the accent, then it's going to sound right when you say it out. It doesn't sound right as if you made a mistake with the accent. And now it doesn't sound right. Ah, wo, wrong? That's a picture. A picture on the wall or a drawing is ah, wo, wrong? Ah, wo, wrong? Let's break it down. Ah, wo. The way we look at things, ah, wo. Wrong? This refers to Iran. It's not wrong like sew something. Wrong is to tie something up, right? Figuratively, I will wrong. When we start saying words together, then things change, and it gets a little bit confusing because Ibadan wasn't Ibadan before, right? It was Ibadan. The city of Ibadan was Ibadan. Ibadan. And then now it's simplified and now called Ibadan. Right? And then you see that this is Eba, but this is two down accents right now because everything is compressed and simplified. Right? But here near the grassland, right? Near the grassland, by the edge of the forest. Right, that's Eba. Eba means beside something. Odon, edge of the forest, between the grassland and the forest land, right? Vegetation. So that's the difference, right? So sometimes when you see some words like that, it will confuse people and they will say, I have a problem. Why do you use this accent here and not there? There's a reason for that. Some people will not be able to explain. But when they break it down, you will get the reason why they said that. Because in pronunciation and in conversation, in the sentence structure, it will sound right if you put the down accent on it when you say it. Okay. Ogaju. I broke it down and I said it in a broken down formation, but if I want to say it with expression, I will say Ogaju. Or that means that thing is incredible, too much. The guy is fantastic. You know, something, how to describe something that is beyond my imagination or comprehension. Ogaju. Or if it's too tall. When you understand the accents, then Yoruba becomes easy to learn. Accent means a lot in Yoruba.